Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I am Chavi, and don't forget to watch the video till the very end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because a lot of you watch my videos but don't subscribe to my channel, so do that as well. It's free of cost and it encourages me as well. Anyways, तो आज होने वाला एक reading vlog. Actually, I'm a big reader, so if you've been watching me lately, I love reading and I've read a lot of books and I have a lot of books. And अभी मैं recently Delhi गई थी, तो there are a lot of vlogs about Delhi. And मैं अपने लिए 10 novels खरीद के लाई थी, and that is just mind blowing. I know that's a lot, but if you're a reader, you can understand the love I share for my books. So this is going to be a reading vlog that is spread over the month of May, June and July, because I love reading. But when I get into a slump, it's bad. एंड मेरी रीडिंग स्पीड एंड मेरे कंसंट्रेशन स्पैन दोनों ही कम हो जाते हैं. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ पाती हूँ, ठीक है. 5 pages a day, that's all. उससे ज़्यादा मैं पढ़ नहीं पाती हूँ. बट when I'm not in a slum, don't even ask me how many pages I can read, because there are multiple times I've read like 300 pages in a damn day. Yeah, I do that as well. क्योंकि अगर मेरे अंदर वो फितूर आ जाता है, या the book is just absolutely stunning, which I think you can agree with me if you are a reader, and you can agree with me if you love reading mystery genre, because that just hooks me up. I cannot leave it. I need to unravel the truth. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna read it, okay, till the very end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you did, and suggest me in the comment section what are the books that you love to read. What is your favorite genre? Let me know in the comments so that I also get to know कौन सी book आप लोग पढ़ते हो. So let's just stop yapping and start reading, because I have the first book, that is The Wrong Sisters by Claire Douglas, and I read this book and here is my reaction towards it. Oh my god guys, I'm currently reading this book as you saw in the previous clip, and a twist came. While we are here, let me just give you a review so far for this book. One thing जो मैं कहना चाहूँगी is that the book is really good so far, and this has a very high chance of becoming a 5-star if I don't guess the plot at the end. So basically this book is about 2 sisters, and ये दोनों sisters जो हैं अलग अलग शहरों में रहती है. Now both of them are married to individual men, and the names of the 2 sisters are Natasha and Alice. Now Natasha is married to a man named Aaron and has 2 children, whereas Alice is married to a man named Kyle and they don't have any children. Natasha and her husband have been so entangled in their life that they want a new start to their life. So they wanted that they both can go together on a vacation, spend some time, recollect all of the memories and get closer. So they go to Venice, where they are now on a vacation. And they receive a call telling that a very tragic event has happened at the house, so you have to come back. When they rush, they go back, they find that Kyle is dead. Let's just not jap anymore and let's just get started with reading the further chapter, because currently we are on part 3 of the book, so this is the 3rd part of the book. Let's just start with the chapter now. Whenever I finish a book, it's time for filling up my reading journal. So this year I started a new hobby, which is making a reading journal. It's basically a journal where you write down and track all of the things about reading, like the books you have read this year, what are your ratings on it, what was the duration of your read, and a lot of genres that you've been tracking down. That's all of the stuff you do in a reading journal, and I got inspired by a lot of YouTubers online who are doing this, and I feel that it's a very creative one, and इसलिए मैंने भी start करा, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly right now, and I am going to be making a video on this separately. So guys, I did have a little gap, but I finished reading The Wrong Sisters by Claire Douglas, and what should I say for this book? Like, इतनी बढ़िया बुक मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं पढ़ी है, and I loved it. I loved the book really very much, because it was a page turner. After every chapter there was something that was being solved, and we were getting to know something new, and I was thinking like ये क्या हो गया, like ये क्या हो गया, like हो कैसे गया ये, ऐसा तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. सो देयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वर हैपनिंग. लिटरली इसके हर चैप्टर के एंड पे जो लास्ट पेज होता है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको फोर्स करेगा कि आप नेक्स्ट चैप्टर भी पढ़ो. आई एम गोना रीड द ब्लर्ब ऑफ द बुक. So let's listen to what the blurb says. Tasha and her sister Alice look alike, but couldn't be more different. Yet each trusts the other with her life. So when Tasha is in a need of a holiday, Alice offers to stay at home with the kids. Tasha knows they're in safe hands. She couldn't be more wrong. The phone call from home is unexpected. Alice and her husband Kyle has been attacked. Alice is in intensive care. Kyle is dead. Then the note arrives, addressed to Tasha. It was supposed to be you. I usually don't read the blurb before going into the book because मुझे पसंद नहीं है कि मुझे पहले से पता चल जाए कि स्टोरी किस बारे में है. For me it was a 4.5 stars. 5 स्टार नहीं दिए फिलहाल मैंने because ऐसा नहीं लगा मुझे कि अंदर से नहीं आया कि 5 stars. But 4.5 is a very good rating for this book because I loved it. So, I have finally finished I Hate You by Nidhi Upadhyay and now it's time for the ratings. So, I rated this book a 3.5 stars. This book was pretty good, okay? But I got a little confused coming at the end and I couldn't understand what was happening. At the starting of this, the book was about a 4 star. लेकिन end में आते आते I got so confused कि चल क्या रहा है and I just didn't feel like it was a 4 star. So we came down to a 3.5 stars. But the book was really good. So basically this book is about a girl who is pregnant with a child and this child is a very mystical child, okay? कुछ magical सा है इस child के अंदर and he's able to, he has all of those abilities which a normal adult should have. But ये child तो अभी पैदा ही नहीं हुआ है. He's not even an infant. He's an unborn baby and he can hear things going on in his world. And Shivam, who is the husband of Mahika, the protagonist, is a very perfectionist. अब ये बंदा इतना perfectionist है कि ये कोई चीज़ 1 सेंटीमीटर भी हिल जाती है तो इसका दिमाग जो है वो खराब हो जाता है. Like, why did you move that thing out of the place? So this dude is very much, and when I mean very much psychotic because he is going crazy. Yup, he's going crazy. So this dude is literally behind Mahika और Mahika का 3 से 4 miscarriages हो गए. She is going through a lot of grief as well and she's trying to escape from Shivam. And I'm not blaming Nidhi. It's my brain. I wasn't able to decode what she wrote. I wasn't able to decode what she has written. मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा कम चल जाता, okay? So it's not her fault, it's mine. शायद मुझे ही बुक पढ़ना नहीं आता. Anyways, so that was the rating for my book and let's see what is going to be our next read. Okay guys, so it's been a pretty long time and the last time I remember updating you of what I'm reading was of I Hate You. आज 1 जुलाई है. I haven't updated you of what I've read क्योंकि मैंने पूरे summer vacations अपने पूरा जून का महीना ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. I have read so slow because I was in a huge reading slump and मैंने सिर्फ 5-6 pages a day पढ़ा है, उससे ज़्यादा मैंने नहीं पढ़ा, जिसकी वजह से मैंने कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं करा. I did finish one book but I only finished one book in the month of June. मैंने पढ़ा You Have Reached Sam by Dustin Thau. So अब this book is about a girl who had a boyfriend but her boyfriend passed away because of an accident that happened, a road accident. He was hit by a truck and ये बहुत ज़्यादा grief में है and she's really sad but apparently she's able to talk to him. So one day at random she calls her boyfriend although he's not anymore and जैसे वो phone लगाती है तो उसका boyfriend phone उठा लेता है and now they're having conversations on the call. Although it's not possible that he can come back, but ये लोग बात कर पा रहे हैं तो काफ़ी टाइम तक वो कनेक्ट रहती है अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ लेकिन एक ऐसा टाइम पीरियड आता है जब ये चला जाता है एंड द मोस्ट हार्ट ब्रेकिंग थिंग, एंड बहुत सैड थी ये बुक आई वुड से, बिकॉज आई डिड क्राई एट सम पॉइंट्स. Didn't cry a lot because I think I didn't read it in one strand, like एक साथ नहीं पढ़ा, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके पढ़ा. बट आई थिंक अगर मैं एक साथ लाइक 100 पेज पढ़ती एक दिन का या पूरा बुक पढ़ लेती एक साथ, तो आई वुड हैव क्राइड अ लॉट, which didn't happen, but the book was really good and I gave this book a 4.5 stars. Anyways, उसके बाद मैंने स्टार्ट करा एक और बुक जिसका नाम है One of Us is Lying. Again, I DNF'd it. Actually, मेरे दिमाग में क्या हो चुका है ना, मेरे दिमाग में आ गई फ्रीडा. आई एम लाइक फ्रीडा पगलू. इफ यू डोंट नो ऑलरेडी, मैं फ्रीडा मैकफैडन को बहुत पसंद करती हूँ एंड आई हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स ऑफ हर. एंड मेरे शेल्फ पे एक फ्रीडा मैकफैडन की डियर डेबी रखी हुई थी और इतने टाइम से मुझे इसको पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है और इसकी वजह से मैं बाकी बुक्स भी नहीं पढ़ पा रही हूँ, उनको छोड़ दे रही हूँ. So now we are going to be reading Dear Debbie. अब मैंने ये पढ़ना शुरू किया था कल at around 3 PM. I think 3 और 4 PM मैंने स्टार्ट करी थी ये बुक. And guess मैंने कितने पेज पढ़ लिए? Oh yes, I digged a very big chunk of this book. मैं literally कल रात 2:30 तक यही बुक पढ़ रही थी बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट स्लीप. आई डोंट नो वट वॉज हैपनिंग विथ मी यस्टरडे, बट मुझे बिल्कुल भी नींद नहीं आई क्योंकि मैं शायद दिन में सो गई थी 2 घंटा, तो मुझे बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आई. एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट रीडिंग एंड आई फिनिश्ड 186 पेजेस यस्टरडे. और शायद अगर रात नहीं होती तो ये पूरी बुक ही खत्म हो जाती. बट what can we do about it? It was really good. अभी तक ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है and again I'm a Frida Paglu, I'm a little biased to her as well, but her stories, like let me just tell you what, मैं जब भी फ्रीडा की बुक पढ़ती हूँ I feel that Frida McFadden writes a very simple writing for even beginners and for advanced readers as well. Anyways, this book is about a girl who is a housewife and she's doing a part-time job and इसका एक husband भी है, of course एक ही होगा husband है, and he is working as well. They have 2 children and ये दोनों teenagers है, so they're very fuzzy about everything, you know those teenagers who's all fuzzy and all and being annoyed at every single thing. वैसे बच्चे हैं इनके, like spoiled type के बच्चे. And she is pretty dangerous apparently, which I'm not gonna be spoiling what she does, but there's a lot of things that she does and I think you definitely should read this book. So that was all. Let's just continue reading and let's see what I find in this book. Hi guys, so it's a few days after and I finished reading Dear Debbie. So basically this book was a 4-star for me. I flew through it, literally I flew through it, and to be honest मैं सारे ही फ्रीडा मैकफैडन की बुक से फ्लाई करती हूँ एकदम. But this was something that was like a roller coaster. I did not love it as much as I loved her other books, but I did love it very much and that's why I give it a 4-star. And I loved her behavior, her, you know, that baddie behavior, like hey, I can handle everything myself, I'll do it, I'll tell you what to do. That, you know, I don't know how to explain this to you, but when you read the book you'll get to know what I'm talking about. And I loved it. Like I love when female have this attitude that they can work on their own and they don't need anybody to help them. That is something I admire a lot and this is what the book gave me. Immediate 4 stars I gave it. I didn't have to think about it. It was not a 5-star, but I loved this book as well. I will definitely recommend it to you for reading, of course. So that was Dear Debbie and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here we have come to an end of the video. These were all of the books that I have read, and drop down your comments in the comment section if you have read any of these books and what were your ratings on these books. I will be replying to your comments, so don't forget to comment on this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and put the notification bell on so you get notified for every video I post. And I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.